morning, my dear students, friends and well-wishers, colleagues. Hearty welcome to our S Square Maths YouTube channel. So far we completed 59 videos and this is the 60th video. So let us go through our video now. Problem. Progressions. It's very important, as you know very well. TS, AP and CBSE and various Olympiad examinations. Not only for Olympiads, at the same time various competitive examination problems, whatever you are going to write in your future days. So let us review our question now. If the sum of first two terms of an AP is 6 and if sum of first 5 terms is 30, then find the sum of first n terms. So this is progressions. Strictly it is AP, nothing but arithmetic progressions. As you know very well, there are many types of progressions: arithmetic, geometric and harmonic. At the same time, for the IIT JEE Foundation and Olympiads, AGP also you have. So this problem related to arithmetic progressions, AP. So if the sum of first two terms of an AP is 6 and the sum of first 5 terms is 30, then find the sum of first n terms. So in an AP, nothing but arithmetic progression, they said sum of first two terms, not the general term or particular term or nth term, sum of. So if the sum of first two terms of an AP, sum of first two terms is given as 6. So this implies, since it is sum, yes, so S2 is equal to 6, Laplace equation 1. Also, next given sum of first 5 terms is 30. Sum of first 5 terms is given as 30. Implies in the same way I can write it as yes, 5 is equal to, here it is 30, nothing but equation 2. So using these two equations, nothing but two different conditions, we have to get the sum of first n terms, nothing but Sn. So this will act as a formula for the given conditions. So we have in an AP arithmetic progression, already we discussed, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So mark as equation 3. So Sn is called n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d stands for sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay. So substitute n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 5. We are going to get again different equations. So therefore S2 is equal to 6 implies the value of n is nothing but 2. So substitute here. So this implies S2 is equal to 2 by 2 into 2a plus 2 minus 1 into d. So now S2 value is given here 6. So 2 by 2 gives you 1. So 1 into 2a plus d. So finally I can write here, this implies 2a plus d is equal to 6, Laplace equation number 4. So by taking the S2 is equal to 6, from first equation substituting in the third equation, nothing but n is equal to 2, we arrive to the equation 4, nothing but 2a plus d is equal to 6. Also given S5 is equal to 30, nothing but n is equal to, here it is 5. Therefore now I can write here 5 by 2 into 2a plus 5 minus 1 into d is equal to, here 30 from third equation. So this implies I can write now 5 by 2 into 2a plus 4d is equal to, here it is 30. So here I will go for the better calculation, please follow it. So 5 by 2 into, in the square bracket there are two terms, okay. So I can take 2 as common here, a plus 2d. After taking 2 common, nothing but here it is 30. Since the operation is multiplication, 2 ones and 2 ones. So no need to multiply 5 into 2a plus again 5 into 4d. You are going to get the bigger values of a and d, and the calculations will be tedious. Okay, this is the easiest process. And 5 into a plus 2d is equal to 30. So what did you observe here? Here in the denominator 2 is vanished by taking 2 as common. Here the possibility to take 2 as common. So now the operation between them is multiplication. Transposing that side means it becomes division here. So a plus 2d is equal to now 30 by 5 finally gives you 6. So a plus 2d is equal to here it is 6. So mark as equation number 5. If you observe equations 4 and equations 5, equation 4 and 5 stands for pair of linear equation in 2 variables. The variables are a and d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. Okay, so now solving for a and d by elimination method or substitution method, what we discussed in pair of linear equation 2 variables. You can go for graphical method also even. Okay, so now here I want to eliminate here a. So 2 into equation 5 I am continuing. So 2 into a plus 2d is equal to here it is. Throughout we have to multiply 6. So 2 into a. So 2a plus 4d is equal to 2 6 are 12. Mark as equation number 6. Okay. So now 4 and equation 6 we have to solve. So nothing but equation 4 minus equation 6 gives you here. What is our fourth equation? 2a plus d is equal to 6, and here it is 2a plus 4d is equal to 12. So what we are doing between the operations 4 and 6, we are subtracting here. So nothing but, so we have to change the sign since it is plus minus, and here it is minus, next to minus. 2a minus 2a is 0. 1d minus 4d is minus 3d. Minus 3d is equal to minus 6. Okay. So now after eliminating the variable a, we got here minus 3d is equal to minus 6. Nothing but linear equation in one variable, simple equation. Solving, you are going to get the value of d, nothing but minus 6 by minus 3 gives you d is equal to 2. So by eliminating a, by eliminating here, we got value of d as 2. So let us review now once again the problem. See, this we have been applied by third equation. From third equation we substitute n is equal to 2 and we proceeded. Next we got here equation number 4, and also similarly by substituting here n is equal to 5 in equation 3. So by third equation n is equal to 5 is substituted, and here we go through the new type of calculation. Please be attention here so that the calculations will be easy. We are going to get the smaller values after eliminating here 2 and 2. 5 transposing this side means becomes division, and we reach it to the equation 5. Now 4 and equations 5 are pair of linear equation 2 variables. To solve, to get the values of a and d, so doing some calculations, we got here d value as 2. After getting d value 2, we have to substitute in either equation 4, 5 or 6 to get the value of a. So you can have the copy up to here. So after getting d value as 2, okay, to get the value substitute in either 4th, 5th or 6th equation. Now we have the 4th equation. So therefore 2a plus d is equal to 6 implies, so 2 in 2a plus 2 is equal to 6. Substituting d is equal to 2 here. So 2a is equal to 6 minus 2, nothing but 4. So 2a is equal to 4 implies a value is nothing but 2. So therefore A is equal to 2 and D is equal to also 2. But what is our intention? Find the sum of first n terms of the given AP. So finally, after getting A is equal to 2, D is equal to 2. So consider our expression. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Our intention is to get the Sn nothing but an expression involving the variable n. So n by 2 into 2A, 2 into 2 here plus n minus 1 into 2. So again n by 2 into 4 plus 2n minus 2. Multiplying with 2, 2 into n, 2n minus 2. So n by 2 into 2n plus 2 because 4 minus 2 gives you 2. Again, no need to multiply. In the square bracket, you can take 2 as common so that n by 2 into 2 of n plus 1. So 2 and 2 get cancelled, n of n plus 1. This is nothing but Sn is equal to n into n plus 1. If you multiply with n, you can also have n square plus n. So therefore, our Sn is nothing but n of n plus 1 also n square plus n. This is a formula to determine Sn for the given conditions. Okay, so sum of first n terms of the given arithmetic progression with the given conditions is nothing but n into n plus 1, nothing but n square plus n. So let us check now verification. Okay. So what is the verification for this? So what we have in an AP? S2. We have S2 is equal to first two terms 6. And at the same time we have sum of first 5 terms. S5 is equal to here 30. Now whether our formula holds good or not, we have to check it. So now our Sn is n into n plus 1. So S2 nothing but 2 into 2 plus 1. So 2 into 3 gives you 6. So therefore S2 is equal to 6 and S2 is equal to 6. Implies S2 is equal to 6. Yes, finally we got. Let us go for S5 also. So now S5 nothing but n is equal to 5. 5 into 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 into 6 is 30. So this implies S5 is equal to 30. So finally we got to the situation that sum of first two terms is 6 and sum of first 5 terms is 6. Hence it is also verified with our formula. So you can have the remaining part of the look of our problem. Yes, after going still you have the problem. See here, this problem plays very important role for the boards of TS and AP and even Olympiad CBSE. So for the boards it is very important 4 marks model problem. Very most important and interesting. Okay. So let us continue our problem with the analysis. Actually the problem is completed, but here we are analyzing the question for additional information. Consider the terms of the APR A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D, and you can have A plus 3D, next A plus 4D, so on. You'll get many terms still. So what is our A value? A is 2 and D also 2, so 2 plus 2. So we got here basically A value is 2 and D value is 2. So substitute all the A and D values here. So 2 plus 2 into again 2, next 2 plus 3 into 2, again 2 plus 4 into 2, so on. So what we are going to get here? 2 comma 4 comma here it is 2 to the 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Next we are going to get 8 and here it is 10. So surprisingly here we are getting the numbers. Which type of numbers they are? Even natural numbers. Okay. So let us apply our various conditions here. So now 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Next 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 gives you 6, 12, 8, 30. So 2 plus 4 indicates what here? It indicates S2, nothing but 6. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Nothing but here S5 is equal to 30. Okay. So therefore, sum of first 2 even natural numbers is 6 and sum of first 5 natural numbers is 30. So after seeing this one, actually basically we do not get any idea whether they are natural numbers or odd numbers or even numbers or any other particular numbers. But here we are analyzing the problem with the terms, general terms of the AP, a comma, a plus d, comma, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, so on. We got here. Finally our condition is satisfied. So what does it mean? Let us give the conclusion here. So conclusion for our problem. So since we verified sum of first 2 numbers of the given AP is 6 and sum of first 5 terms of the given AP is 30. So 2, 4, 6, 8, so on, nothing but the sum of first n even natural numbers, the sum of first n even natural numbers is given by n of n plus 1. This is a formula. So sum of first n even natural numbers is n into n plus 1. So this is a total analysis of the problem. These are the terms of the given arithmetic progression, and we verified sum of first 2 even natural numbers is 6 and sum of first 5 even natural numbers is nothing but 30. So please you can have the copy. And dear students, I hope that you got the better knowledge and excitement and very interesting regarding progressions, arithmetic progressions, which plays crucial role in your 10th standard of TS, AP, CBSE and even Olympiads for 8th, 9th students and for various competitive examinations. These problems also plays important role whatever you are going to write in the future, essay, constable, DSC, TET and policy after your 10th standard. This problem plays very important role. So I hope so. Those who did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, like, share and comment. Thank you.